Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So here this is the question given over here. In the given figure, AFGB, this is the AFGB, CFE, that is CFE this one, and CG and D, these are the straight lines. And we have to find out y. So this angle we have to find out y. So let us see for the first one. Now this is given as 28. So now if this is 28 means this angle should be 28 because why? Because it is vertically opposite angle. So we have to consider for this, we have to concentrate on this triangle y because y is over here. So now we got this as 28. So now what we can write here? FGC means this angle is 28 because they are the vertically opposite angles. Now we need this angle. We got this one, we need this angle. So what are you going to do? Look at this 122. 122 is here. So if you combine this one, 2, so you know this is a linear pair because whenever you have a straight here and this one means that is a linear pair. So that should be 180 means this together should be 180. So what will we do here? We will write here this is what this will be CFG. This angle is CFG. That will be 180. From that 180, you are going to subtract 122, and which is 58. So this angle you got as 58. So as I told you, that is a linear pair. So now we got this as 28 and this angle as 58, and we want the value of this. We wanted this this y. So what will you do? You will add all this 3 means that should be 180. That is why that is called the angle sum property. When you add all these 3 angles, it should be 180. So here 28 plus 58 plus y, that is 180. That is the angle sum property. So now look at here. This will be 86. This is going to be y and this is going to be 180. So y is going to be 180. If you take this on the plus, this is plus, that will be minus here. So y is 94. So by this way, we have completed the question over here. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification. So thank you.